Since the day we bought our Foretravel, we knew that the green carpet and the couch had to go. Demo day finally arrived. Let's see how we did. We listed the couch on Amazon Marketplace. Believe it or not, it was gone the next day. That black stuff is iron impregnated foam, meant to be a sound barrier or maybe a heat barrier. Either way, that stuff's heavy. That went much easier than anticipated.
Go.
That went much easier than anticipated. We expected thousands upon thousands of staples, and so we started this much earlier, like 4 months earlier than we needed to, thinking we'd do a room at a time. And we're done. Few staples to pull in the bathroom. No real water damage anywhere.
We hope.
We hope. I think it's good. New flooring in May. Oh, tools of the trade. Next to come up is the hardwood floor. Gotta say, we're dreading that. So what's your biggest tip or lesson from pulling all the carpet out of our 97 Foretravel?
Even though you can worry about it, just go ahead and do it. And if you have knee pads, it helps. But you can do it sitting down. Christine did. I couldn't do it. I ain't limber enough.
So my biggest lesson is, are you recording?
It's
Oh my gosh. Are you recording? My biggest lesson is that you need a pad or something to sit on, because splinters in the butt are a real thing and they hurt.